Hello everybody and welcome again to my YouTube channel, Fineart. And today's session is I'm showing to you how to draw this just using a pencil and a paper. And at the same time, I would like to share to you how we can make our lives even better or happier. And I have some very nice quotes, very interesting quotes, happy quotes that will immediately brighten up our day. So guys, let's get real here. We've all had our fair share of bad days, and like maybe you had a heated argument with a friend or a family member and it still got you in a funk, or maybe you just woke up on the wrong side of the bed. And when sad days seem to take over us, we can sit down, take a deep breath, and read through a few of the best happy quotes out there, like this list that I've compiled. So guys, I would like to say to you that myself, there are also moments that I'm not 100% okay. But somehow I realize that if you want to be happy, do not dwell in the past. Do not worry about the future. Focus on living fully in the present. It isn't what you have or who you are or where you are or what you're doing that makes you happy or unhappy. It is what you think about it. And happiness is a state of mind. So, guys, I would like to take this quote from a Walt Disney. Happiness is a state of mind. It's just according to the way you look at things. And Albert Einstein, for him, it's a calm and modest life brings more happiness than the pursuit of success combined with constant restlessness. And we need to celebrate all the happy times, past, present, and future. A short quote from a musician, Bobby McFerrin, perhaps says it best. Don't worry, be happy. This quote from Buddha said, there is no path to happiness, and happiness is the path. Happiness is a journey, not a destination. And from Gabriel Garcia Marquez, no medicine cures what happiness cannot. From Marcel Proust, let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. From Stefan Chbosky, the perks of being a wallflower. There's nothing like deep breaths and laughing that hard. Nothing in the world like a sore stomach for the right reason. Another, from Mark Twain. Sanity and happiness are an impossible combination. And from others, Jonathan Safran 4. You cannot protect yourself from sadness without protecting yourself from happiness. From Chuck Palahniuk from Diary. It's so hard to forget pain, but it's even harder to remember sweetness. We have no scar to show for happiness. We learn so little from peace. From Roy T. Bennett. If you want to be happy, do not dwell in the past. Do not worry about the future. Focus on living fully in the present. From Dale Carnegie. It isn't what you have or who you are, where you are or what you are doing that makes you happy or unhappy. It is what you think about it. From Anne Frank. Think of all the beauty still left around you and be happy. From Mark Twain. The best way to cheer yourself is to try to cheer someone else up. From Aristotle. Happiness depends upon ourselves. From Albert Einstein. A calm and modest life brings more happiness than the pursuit of success combined with constant restlessness. From Mother Teresa. If you find serenity and happiness, some may be jealous. Be happy anyway. Lily Pulitzer. Being happy never goes out of style. From Ralph Waldo Emerson. For every minute you are angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. From Roy T. Bennett. Do not set aside your happiness. Do not wait to be happy in the future. The best time to be happy is always now. From Ellen DeGeneres. The thing everyone should realize is that the key to happiness is being happy by yourself and for yourself. From Muhammad Ali. Others may know pleasure, but pleasure is not happiness. It has no more importance than a shadow following a man. From Dalai Lama. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. From Audrey Hepburn. The most important thing is to enjoy your life, to be happy. It's all that matters. From Christian Dior. Happiness is the secret to all beauty. There is no beauty without happiness. From Mahatma Gandhi. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. So, those are some of my favorite quotes about happiness. Indeed, life is not perfect. We are always struggling to reach that point of happiness in our life. There is no right or wrong ways, but it is a means of self-care, to be happy, to think what is good, to be positive in life, and not to dwell in the past, but to live in the moment. This drawing that I make is a symbol of a pretty girl, a happy girl, a contented girl. And I hope that all of us will find that happiness in our life. And pursuit of happiness is very important to reach success in life. It is not a successful life we're living if we are not happy at all. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time in my next art video. And for those who are not yet subscribed in my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.